Hello, this is Hamid, and in this session, I'm gonna teach you how to create a policy in the fortigate firewalls. So, in this scenario, I'm gonna connect this PC to the firewall and set up a policy and create a policy in the fortigate to pass the traffic from a Kali Linux to the internet. To do that, I just drag a NAT here, and I have to create it in the GNS3 VM, and after that I create uh, uh, connect the FortiGate firewall to a NAT interface on port 3. So now port 3 is connected to the NAT, and after that I go to the firewall graphic interface. So I connect to my Kali Linux, and the password is admin blank. So, and I haven't changed the password here. The Kali Linux now is connected to port 2, and the DHCP is enabled on the port 2. So on port 3, I'm going to enable the DHCP client. So port 3 is gonna be my outside port, and the role is gonna be WAN. So I change it to DHCP, and here I don't need anything. I leave the administrative access as default, and just I OK the configuration. So now I should get the IP address from the DHCP. If I refresh the page, I get the IP address from, and then I go to static route, and here in static route I create a static route in my router, in my firewall. So here the interface, the traffic is gonna be on the outside interface, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.221. So I accept that, and now I have the default route from my FortiGate firewall to the internet. It's really important to set the default route in the firewall, because otherwise your traffic is not gonna pass through the firewall to internet. And then I go to policy and objects in the IPv4 policy. I have two policies here, actually one policy here, and this one is implicit denies. It means that the all traffic, all source and destination by default is denied. So I create a new policy here, and this policy, it means that local to internet, I call that local to internet. So the traffic from my port to my local to the outgoing interface outside the source, I can create the IP address for my local address, or just leave it as all the sources to all destination and all the schedules, and I just say that all services we will work in the future with these sources and the IP destination and the scheduling services, so we will learn how to set it specifically, but for this scenario I just set it as all and the services to all, and then I accept the action. I can deny that or I accept that, but here we should allow the traffic from port 2 to port 3, so we accept the traffic, and the inspection mode set it as a flow base, because in FortiGate we have proxy base and flow base, and um, they bring some feature if you set it as a proxy base and set it as a flow base. Now in this scenario I set the other feature as default, and just I click on OK, and now I have the policy from the port 2 to port 3, and so now I try to reach to google.com, and here you go, so we have the internet. So I hope this has been informative, and thank you for watching.